What's up guys, how to create jump, projectile flight and other game mechanics based on ballistic system. Subscribe to my channel and let's get started. Now let's create a class that will launch coroutine and our object will move along the curve along it. We will not use physics. Science physics is not very unpredictable and we have less control. Otherwise, we know exactly now the projectile with jump or fly, and we can even easily control the place of impact. Now we will create a script with which we can do jumping and shooting or anything else that requires a trajectory. For our game, we will analyze using the example of a jump. Set up an object to jump and assign it a target where to jump. We create a normalized curve. This is the right approach. Here we can build and trajectory. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you. The next video, I see you later.